In this video, I just want you to sit with me. I want you to sit with me and relax with me. I want you to feel what it feels like to be relaxed in every moment. I want you to feel what it feels like to be calm. In this video, I want you to hear the silence. I want you to hear the calm. When you're quiet, the world makes noise. But the noise is calm. The noise is relaxed. You make it unrelaxed. I want you to sit with me for however long this video is and just relax. Just let the world do what it needs to. Let the world say its message. Let the world find you just where you are and let it just be. This is how you meditate. There's nothing you really have to do. You just let the world be as it is. Turn off all the lights if you have to. Close your door. Just let yourself be alone with yourself for a minute. This is relaxation. No agenda, nothing you have to do. Just calm. Listen to the noises around you. Like right now, my daughter is watching a movie, and the movie is almost like music. It's just the world's noise. I have a timer for this light, for this cage, and I can hear it slightly clicking, but that's just like music. It's just calm. It's just happening. There's nothing you need to do. Maybe a thought's coming into your head of anxiety, of fear, of something bad is going to happen. Just let it be there. Let it play its music. Let it sing. You think you have to do something about it. Just let it sing. Let the world sing and let yourself just calm down and listen to the music. Everything that happens in this whole existence is music. There's no destination. It's just a melody. Before I sat here to make this video, I prayed. I just said, please give me the inspiration, give me the ideas. Give me the motivation to make this video one of the best I've made. And I also said, this is yours. This is the universe's. This video is for you. It's not for me. It's for the world. It's for God, the universe, it. I sacrifice it. This whole thing is for it. I'm not doing it for myself. And when I sat here to make the video, this is what happened. This is it. Now my dog's gonna bark. Of course, right when I say that. But this is it. Just listen to the dog bark. I had to let her in. Obviously, life wanted her to be in the video, I guess. It brought us this surprise. But see, that's what happens. You never know what's going to happen. You never know what life's going to bring. You never know. You never know what's going to happen. It just happens. And you just enjoy it. Just let it happen. Don't worry. If you're making a video, don't get mad. But this is life. This right here, what we're experiencing. When we sit here, we are experiencing life. You don't have to go to Scotland. You don't have to go to another country to experience life. Because if you sit here and you relax and you really listen and watch everything, you'll notice how beautiful life is right here. I'm in this room, this I don't even know what the size of this room is, small room. And I feel like I'm experiencing all of life just sitting here. I'm not missing out. There's so much that I can hear and listen to that I don't even notice normally if I just sit here and relax. This is life. You're not missing out. Feels great. I love you guys. After this video, just keep sitting here in silence. Let life play its music. If you feel negative feelings, just let the music play. The only reason it's negative is because you're putting a negative connotation on it. You're saying this feeling people tell me this feeling is a bad one, so I don't like it. It makes me feel bad. Well, who cares? Just let the feeling play. It's only bad when you put the meaning onto it. No feeling is bad. No feeling is anything. It's just a feeling. You never know what you're going to get. This video was a proof that you never know what you're going to get. Life is always surprising. It's always moving. It's always doing what it wants. Alright, but I love you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video for someone that needs to calm down. I love you guys. Red Guru.